Alright guys, this is going to be my last train of the night. Westbound slugging it up the hill. I think this is 11K. $11K! LYBX. Mobile 1. So we got your sand cars coming up. Starting to bottom out. Losing a little bit of speed. CRDX thrall. CFX thrall. That's a repaint. NAHX thrall. We got a heritage car on here. See Ofox, GATX ARI. And I hate how they came at dark. Same with a 36A. I wish I had a little more light. NDYX, that's old. TFOX, that's probably a Soul Trend. More sand. Oh, these are all empty going back, it looks like. TCMX ARI font. RGCX. He's got more epics. Wow, he's bottoming out on the hill. Here we go. AEX. Brand new December of '86. I think it's a 5840. GIMX 7005. That's a GIMX. There's an Epix logo on there. ELTX ACF. It's an original font. What's that say? Built 6 of 82. It's got a couple of good cars in here. He's bottoming out on the hill. Got a couple of loads on here. It's mostly empty going back west. 10Ks usually all loaded, and these guys are all empty. VMSX. Oh, we got DOWX and Thrall font. I think it is a Thrall car. It's a 5600 if I'm reading right. CCBX with some interesting graffiti. He should have DPs on here, or helpers, I mean. He's only got a couple of loads on him. A lot of Oak Island slop. CRDX mixed in here. You got SHQX ARI cars. A lot of NATX. He didn't have a very good train in terms of like quality rolling stock. I mean, he was really long. Saw him go by the Tyrone camp. This gonna be my last train, boys, on my weekend and my birthday. Great way to spend it. Well, he's got a couple of solid cars to end the train, but other than that, it's like it's not the greatest. I already hear the helpers. Oh, it's noticed the DPUs. Oh, that's an interesting GATX. Nah, that's the DP. FURX Freight Car America. MULXX. Something for all. UTCX and an interesting number. Garfield. Here we go. We're getting into it, baby. Hey, that C6M is digging. Now we got the good stuff. I lied, boys. NAHX Highway Gothic. Look at this. ATW, XUP, NOKO, BNSF wagon wheel. Man, that thing is chugging. Burlington Northern. More wagon wheel. NDYX Highway Gothic. NOKO Highway Gothic. Oh my jeez, that thing is screaming its ass off down there. BN, SSW Golden West Service, GPLX GATX. Listen to that thing fight. He's got a lot of empties in here. He's still fighting this hill. This 1.8% here. And they're heavy. Look at this ATW plate C smashed in between these scrap loads. with goofball graffiti. Oh, these are loaded too, these scrap cars. He's got a little bit of weight. He's got a lot of trash, I should say. These are trash. It's got even more good stuff on the back. I hear the rear helpers just to Allentown pick up all this good stuff on the back. Got ATW again. AEX ARI font. AEXXUP. Oh. AEXXFURX. MKT. Repaint. CHTTUT Building America. UP. SIRX. ITFX. MWMX CNW. MWCX. MWMX Family Lines. That turbo's going nuts on that truck, 1024. It's only got the one running. That's a great way to end it, baby.